Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode of Simple Kids Crafts. Today I'm going to show you this little motorcycle that I actually bought here in Turkey, and you guys will not believe the price. It was actually 20 liras, which is less than $5, 5 US dollars. And you can see that you can put the doll on this motorcycle, and this is a Barbie doll, as you can see, and you can sit her on it and everything. And I just wanted to show it to you because I couldn't believe the price. I mean, you cannot get anything like this really back home. And look at this, it even has a little baggage area that you can put food in and that you can put different accessories in. It can move, and it can also you can also have your Barbie riding on it, and it even has a safety at the bottom so that you can park the actual motorcycle. You can put it on the side and it stays by itself. This is the box that it came in, and it's for 3 years plus, and it says that it was manufactured in Turkey, as you can see down here. And I also have the information here if you wanted to order it, or if you wanted to know where I got it from. Let me know in the comments down below whether you have gotten this actual is it a motorcycle, I guess, and if you paid about the same price that I paid for it. I think it's amazing that you can get something with this quality, and I just wanted to share it with you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.